Hey everybody, I was trying to remember yesterday when I was opening that Leaf draft what I had coming today, and there it is. Topps Inception. I could not remember that to save my life. But anyways, here it is, 2 boxes. It's not one of the crazy expensive products. It only has 7 cards, I think 2 autographs. If I remember correctly, and I've opened so much stuff over this last year, but I think last year it was pretty tough to pull somebody good, and it's probably going to be the case again, which is why it doesn't cost $200. So, well, I mean, I'm not going to talk about it too much. This should be a short, quick break. Hopefully I get somebody decent. I don't know. We'll see. You know, I'm still adjusting to the 2019 rookie class for football and baseball. Truthfully, it was still basketball too. I'm a little okay with basketball because there's been a couple of releases there, but with baseball and football, we're just now starting to get into the meat of those releases. So there are the odds. Looks like you can get different colored parallels. Jumbo patch 1 in 22, jumbo patch parallels. Team logo patch book, letters book, tag book, so there's several books in here. That would be nice. Something like that would be mighty sweet. It's a good looking box, classy. And there's our one little pack. And it's pretty thick for 7 cards. Maybe I did get a patch. I don't remember what the packs looked like last year, so, and I don't know what the setup is here, so I don't know if I'm about to pull the autographs right off the top or what's about to happen. So, alright, so I'm going to do it like this. I think we'll just do it however they come out of here. Alright, get back other box. Alright, so card number 1 is, well, it's Gleyber Torres, which would be incredible if this was last year's product. Either way, it's still a really good looking card. Maybe it feels good. It's thicker stock. There's the back. So nice, good start. Gleyber. Number 2 is George Springer. Again, another base card. Not numbered or anything, but looks good. Next up we have Severino. This looks like a parallel, I guess. No, I guess not. Or is it? I don't know. I would assume the parallels in this are all numbered, but I could be wrong, because these two were each like the orange color and this is like blue-green. So I don't know. Then we have a Nick Birdie rookie, and this goes back to the orange color, so that may be a parallel. So that's 4. Number 5 is Ramon Laureano, and that, ooh, that is nice. That is a sweet looking patch autograph. He has rookie cards in 2019 Donruss. This is numbered out of 199. It is a sticker auto, but with that sweet little patch on there, that's a good looking card. So sweet. So how are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should have 2 more cards here. Okay, that's a parallel. Brad Keller rookie. Green. Although still not numbered. Let me see. Am I overlooking some number somewhere? No, I don't see one. Then our last card, I think it should be another autograph. No, it's not. I thought there was 2 autographs in this. David Fletcher rookie. Inception green. I could have sworn there was 2 autographs per box. Am I wrong? Does it say anywhere? Oh, nope, 1. My bad. Well, again, that explains the lower price point. So, all right, not bad. I don't know much about this kid, so you know, but either way, it's a good looking card. Sweet little patch. Overall, not bad. Good couple of rookies, 2 parallels. The base cards look really sweet. So that's that. I'll get this posted for you guys, and I'll post the other box either, I don't know if I'll get it same 2 of these tonight. I've already posted one break today, so I'll probably post the other one tomorrow. So please like and subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think about Inception. Have you opened any? Did you pull anything grand? I hope you did. And I'll be back with the other box tomorrow. Tomorrow, you'll see it. Tomorrow, it's only a day away.